on.
Payton Street! What you doing there?
It's making a delivery.
Well, that's funny. Same here.
Stop trying to steal my customers.
Hey, you're making a delivery, I'm making a delivery. We're just gonna have to see who gets there first. Oh, golly, spaceman! You wait right here! I'll get you some help! It's okay, guys! Shh, everything's under control! Run, mate! Mary had
What are you doing? Run now! No! Wait. My leg's broken.
I've got a delivery to make.